Hi, my name is Ismanuel Vega. I'm a BMW Genius here at Fields BMW South Orlando, and today we're going to show you how to use your gesture control on your 750i. So first thing, you want to make sure you're right on the camera that will be around this area right here, and you have 7 different gestures you could do. First one, you can put volume up, you can put volume down, you can accept an incoming call by just pointing at the screen, you can deny the call by swiping to the right. Next thing you could do is with the park distance control, you can pinch the camera and move it around in a 360 view. And the last gesture, which is the one that you can customize, you can go to My Vehicle, go to Add Drive Settings, click on Gestures, and you can choose between the list. Right now it's set to next station, so when I'm on the radio, I point with 2 fingers and it changes the station. And those are your 7 gesture controls.